BMW X6M repair quotes. Bayerische Motoren Werke AG, commonly referred to as BMW, is a German multinational corporate manufacturer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles headquartered in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. The 2020 BMW X6M is a high-performance variant of the BMW X6, combining the practicality of a luxury SUV with the power and agility of a sports car. Here are key details about the 2020 BMW X6M. Servicing your BMW X6M is crucial to maintaining its performance, longevity, and safety. Here are general maintenance guidelines for the BMW X6M. Keep in mind that specific requirements may vary based on the model year and your vehicle's usage. Regular maintenance. Oil change. Change the engine oil and replace the oil filter at regular intervals. BMW typically uses synthetic oil. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top off fluids, including coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Tire maintenance. Rotate the tires at regular intervals to ensure even wear. Check tire pressure regularly and replace tires when needed. Brake inspection. Regularly inspect the brake system, including brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid. Replace components as necessary. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter to maintain optimal engine performance. Cabin air filter. Replace the cabin air filter to ensure clean air inside the vehicle. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended interval for your specific BMW X6M model. Periodic inspections. Suspension and steering. Inspect the suspension and steering components for wear or damage. Exhaust system. Check the exhaust system for leaks or damage. Battery check. Inspect the battery for corrosion and check its charge. Replace the battery if needed. Manufacturer recommendations. Refer to the owner's manual for your specific BMW X6M model and follow the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. This schedule typically outlines specific maintenance tasks and intervals. Professional servicing. While some maintenance tasks can be done by car owners, more complex tasks and inspections should be performed by qualified professionals at authorized BMW service centers or reputable auto repair shops. Additional considerations. If you experience any unusual noises, vibrations, or warning lights, address them promptly by consulting a qualified service professional. Regularly check for recalls or service campaigns related to your BMW X6M. Manufacturers may issue updates or recalls for specific issues. Always consult your owner's manual for the specific maintenance requirements of your BMW X6M model and follow the recommended intervals. This ensures that your vehicle remains in optimal condition and helps prevent potential issues.